today's topic is about scientific method. Scientific method, what is scientific method? It's a logical way. It's a logical way to understand, to comprehend, to go through an observation, a problem. Okay, so that is why you can see on the screen what's sitting there. It's a systematic approach to problem solving. Okay, so working in a logical way to get the solution, to get the answers of the phenomena. We follow a method. That method is simply called scientific method. So it's a set of actions, it's a set of procedure that scientists follow in order to acquire knowledge, in order to gain knowledge about the world, about this material world. So what is scientific method? It is certain actions, it is a certain processes, or set of procedures that scientists follow. Scientists means all chemists, physicists, botanists, and all scientists follow to gain knowledge, to discover truth, to verify facts, okay, about the things which are around them. Now, all this scientific method, we all refer certain points. Okay? Now, the very first point that you should observe, you should be capable of observing something. For example, a mobile is kept, suppose somewhere in your house, might be on a table. Okay? It is off. One person just went through, didn't notice it. Another one didn't notice that mobile. When you passed, you noticed that mobile. Why? Because I'm supposing that it is belonging to you. So first thing is observation. Different things appears in a different way for different people. You noticed that mobile, other persons didn't. Right? So first thing is observation. So why did you observe that mobile? Because it belonged to you. Secondly, what else? When you try to open it, switching it on, you came to know that the mobile is not switching on. What? After observing that your mobile is kept there, you pushed the button to open it, but it is not. So there appears a problem. You reached to a state of question. Why the mobile phone, the cell phone is not switching on? Okay? So you observe something, then a question clicked over here, right? And what will you do now? It's not switching on. Your mind will try to answer the question. Why the mobile is not switching on? Might be the charge is not charged. This is called your prediction. This is called your prediction. You are predicting the answer, the reason of that question. Okay, might be, so, oh, that mobile was, it was fell down yesterday, so that is the reason it is not switching on. So this is another prediction. So your prediction should be testable. Your prediction should be logical. Right? You should not predict or give answer like this. Oh, a fairy came the night and he did something. He used magic wand and just the mobile is not working properly. No such type of predictions. These predictions, the testable, the logical predictions they are called, what do you call it? Hypothesis. Hypothesis means the answer, the possible answer of the question, of the problem. So the 3 steps we just discussed of this scientific method. First, you observed a problem, question, then hypothesis. Now, let's proceed further. Whatever you predict, it could be right or could be wrong. Okay? Suppose you predicted it's not charged. So what will you do now? You will test your prediction. You will test your hypothesis by plugging in the socket, electric socket. If it starts charging, your prediction was correct. If it's not, there is something wrong. Okay? So after prediction, after hypothesis, you did a prediction and you have tested your hypothesis. You have tested your hypothesis. This hypothesis will give you a result. This hypothesis will give you a result. It could be, the result could support your prediction, or it simply negate it, oppose it. If it is well and good, it means it's right. You will proceed to the next step. If it is not, suppose you have plugged in and still it's not started charging, then you predict another point. Then you change your hypothesis. What is? Oh my God, there must be something that went wrong with this mobile. I should do something else, right? So after analyzing, you draw a conclusion. Your conclusion could be correct, or your conclusion could be wrong. If your conclusion is correct, suppose the mobile has started charging, it's correct. You say, okay, after all this process, the result is perfect, and you will get. So similarly, in the field of science, they observe a problem, questions are there, they hypothesize, then they predict, then they test. If the test is okay, it will convert, the theory is converted into, hypothesis gives theory, theory will convert, if it is correct, after experimentation, if it's correct, it will convert into a law, okay? If it's not, then you will have to do it again and again and again. So this is all about hypothesis. So what have we just covered? A topic, the scientific method. The observed phenomena can be explained by, you can see on the screen. What is observation? Observation means something that is going all around you. It varies from person to person, and it produces a question in your mind. What is hypothesis? A logical prediction, a testable logical answer. So whatever is asked, whatever is pop up in your mind, that is called, its answer is called hypothesis. What is theory? Predicts new facts and figure. Mobile is not charging, you plugged in, okay? Now just started charging this. So what becomes law? Then when the mobile is okay and its charge is over, then just plug in. This becomes law. What? Becomes law. Okay, just plug in the charger in the socket, it will start charging again. Another example, most common example, or you do it by yourself. All right? So this is all about scientific method.